Good afternoon. During the lesson for this particular question, I was unable to record it properly, so I'm going to redo this question. And this question is to do with a probability density function. And what you know about probability density functions is that the area under the curve will be 1. Now this is from 0 to 1. So we've got from 0 to 1, that's our domain for x. So x is between 0 and 1. And what we have is the probability density function for 0 to 1. And the probability of a score being somewhere between 0 and 1 is equal to 1. So that the area under the curve represents the probability. And so the probability, the sum of all probabilities, will be 1. That is the integral from 0 to 1 of 3x squared over 2 plus x. If we integrate that, we will get 1. That's the total probability. However, we want the expected value of x, and the expected value of x is also known as the mean. And the mean is in our domain from 0 to 1 of x times our probability density function. So we're going to go from 0 to 1 of x times our 3x squared over 2 plus x. That's our probability density function, which is from 0 to 1 of 3x cubed over 2 plus x squared. So we will just multiply by x. So we've multiplied by x. Now we get the integral from 0 to 1. So it would be 3x to the power of 4 over 2 and 4 is 8. 2 times 4. x3 over 1 times 3 is 3, because that's just a 1. Substitute 1 in there, we get 3 over 8 plus 1 over 3. Substitute 0 in there, we get 0 plus 0. And that will be 9, 17 over 24. So that's the expected value of x. The expected value of x is 17 over 24. Now we want the variance of x. So to get the variance of x, we need to first find the expected value of, I'll just put the formula here. The variance of x is the expected value of x squared minus the expected value of x squared. So let's find out what e of x is. Now the expected value of x squared from 0 to 1 is x squared times f of x dx. So x squared times our function 3x squared over 2 plus x with respect to x. So that would be the integral from 0 to 1 of 3x to the 4 and x cubed, which is from 0 to 1. No, let's just integrate now. So we'll go straight into the integral, which is get a blue pen. 3x to the power of 5 over 2 times 5, and x to the power of 4 over 1 times 4. Now substitute 1 in there and substitute 0, you get 3 over 10 plus a quarter equals 22 over 40, 11 over 20. And substituting our e of x squared is 11 over 20 minus 17 over 24 squared equals, so you get your calculator. Just substitute this on the calculator. Suppose I could do it using the screen, it's all right. Except it's going to be in decimals, that's all right. 11 divided by 20 minus, let's go 17 divided by 24, close the bracket, square that, and that equals, that's your variance, 0.04826. Dot, 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 because it's irrational.